Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on the dark mode on your Vivo X80 Pro. For that, you want to go to your settings and then click on display and brightness. Now you click on dark theme and here you can see the difference and the dark theme is always off. If you just turn it on, then your phone will switch to a black background. If you turn that off again, it will go back to the light mode. You can also schedule the light and dark mode on this phone. So if you click on sunset to sunrise, you click it on, then your phone will turn back to the light mode by sunrise, and when it's sunset, your phone will turn the dark theme back on again. We can also customize a time, and then the phone will start the dark mode or the light mode. So you can see start by 8 p.m. and ends at 7 a.m. So over the night we have the dark theme on, and then at 7 a.m. the light mode will be back on. I want to have it always on, so we click on that button, and then here you have some more information. On some screens, dark mode will use solid black background, which will help extend your battery life. After scheduling, dark mode will be enabled when your screen is off. So that's how you put your phone into the dark mode. If you want to turn it off again, just press on that button. We'll be back in the light mode, turn it back on, and then it's the dark mode. Now you just go back, and also here on the Google search bar you see it's black. That's how you turn off and on the dark mode on your Vivo X80 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.